concussions happen from hits to the head. No. What? Yeah. Concussion is actually the result of the brain undergoing a tremendous amount of acceleration or deceleration. You can get a concussion without getting hit in the head, provided that enough force still goes to the head to cause acceleration of the brain. Let me try to reiterate that in a different way. If you get hit in the body and your head whips back and forth, the brain moving inside the skull can still cause a concussion. So if you didn't get hit in the head and you still have the symptoms of concussion, you may still have a concussion. Concussion symptoms are very non-specific, so you could have something else, like a whiplash injury or something else. And just because you do get hit in the head doesn't mean that you have a concussion, because you have to have a tremendous amount of force that hits the head. So it goes both ways. Hits to the head don't necessarily cause concussions. Acceleration of the brain causes concussions. Obviously, the easiest way to have acceleration of the brain is to hit directly in the head, but that doesn't necessarily always have to be the case.